Grammar quiz. The present perfect continuous tense. Fill in the blanks using the present perfect continuous tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Barry blank steak every Friday for 20 years. Is it A, have eating, B, has eating, C, have been eating, or D, has been eating? The correct answer is D, has been eating. Barry has been eating steak every Friday for 20 years. Number 2. The cannon blank cannonballs all morning. Is it A is firing, B has firing, C has been firing, or D had been firing? The correct answer is C, has been firing. The cannon has been firing cannonballs all morning. 3. We eat blank for nearly 7 years. Is it A, have been dating, B, have dating, C, is been dating, or D, were been dating? The correct answer is A, have been dating. We have been dating for nearly 7 years. 4. Joel blank in a tent since August 2021. Is it A, has lives, B, has living, C, has been living, or D, has be living? The correct answer is C, has been living. Joel has been living in a tent since August 2021. And 5. Damien blank his picture all month. Is it A, have been painting, B, has been painting, C, had been painting, or D, will have been painting? The correct answer is B, has been painting. Damien has been painting his picture all month. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.